Today, we are going to unlock a secret math superpower called differentiation. Let's get our AI helper ready first. Open your internet and search Gemini. Click on the very first link that says Gemini. Once you are inside, you will see a chat box at the bottom. This is where we can talk to the AI. My suggestion is as follows. You can try this as well. I want to understand the concept of differentiation in math. Do not make it too difficult. I am 10-year-old student. I want to visualize the concept in HTML coding file. Please suggest good example in HTML code. Now, let's bring our code to life. Go back to Gemini and look at the code it made. Click the Copy button at the top corner of the code box. Next, open up a simple text editor on your computer, like Notepad if you are on Windows, or TextEdit if you are on a Mac. Paste the code right in there. Go to the top, click Save As, and name your file test.html. Make sure you type that .html at the end. Finally, find that file on your computer and double-click it. You just created your own math visualizer in your web browser. If you don't like your first example, you can make another example by typing this, "I want another example." Thanks for watching, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.